Wide-legged forward bend, or Prasarita Padottanasana, is a standing posture that stretches the back and legs. From a wide stance, the yogi folds forward and claps the ankles, or place their hands in between the feet, or catching by the big toes, or having the arms binding around the back, allowing the head to hang heavy. Begin in Tadasana. Inhale, hands at the hips. Exhale, step right foot to the back, about 3 feet distance away from the front foot. Turn your toes slightly in and your heels slightly out, so the edges of your feet are parallel to the edges of your mat. Align your heels. Inhale, raise the arms over the head to lengthen spine. Exhale, fold forward at the hips. Keep the front of the torso long. Drop your head and gaze softly behind you. Bring your hands to rest on the floor between your legs. Keep your elbows bent and pointing behind you. Exhale again and shift your weight slightly forward onto the balls of your feet. Keep your hips aligned with your ankles. Then walk your hands back even further while keeping the knees straight. Work toward bringing your fingers in line with your toes and eventually with your heels, and bringing your elbows directly above your wrist. Strongly engage your quadriceps and draw them up to the ceiling. Lengthen the spine on your inhalation and fold deeper on your exhalation. Bring the crown of your head down further, resting on the floor if possible. Breathe while holding the pose. To release, reverse the order of movements.